Hey you all, welcome back to another video. So some of my subscribers has been asking me to show them how do I do my boxes, how do I wrap my boxes. So here I have this box. It's very Christmassy. So I'm gonna transform this into something for Valentine's Day. So what you need to do is to get any wrapping paper of your choice. I choose to go with this red polka dot for Valentine's Day. So I measured the amount of paper that I would need to make this box, cut it out, put the box on the paper, and then I'm going to show you guys how do I wrap this. Now, if you know how to wrap a gift, this is basically the same method. So as I mentioned, I measured the paper that I want, and then this is what I'm doing. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so I just fold this side over. I use Scotch tape just to hold it so that it doesn't unravel. And remember, if you're using this type of tape, you have to use the transparent tape. You don't want to use a glossy tape, because if you do, every place that you, on the gift that you put the tape, you will be able to see that, and you don't want that to happen. So as I said, I'm just folding the sides just like I would normally fold any gift. There's nothing hard to do in this, guys. Nothing hard at all. Once you have the gift wrapping of your choice, then you just go ahead and act as if you're wrapping a gift. There is no method to do this. One might wrap their boxes a different way than I do. Do whatever looks good to you. As I said, there is no method into wrapping it. So let me continue doing this. I'm just gonna keep wrapping this. So if I'm silent, that's because I'm concentrating on doing this. So please bear with me. I hope I am not going very fast. Reason why I'm doing this, as a matter of fact, in this speed, I don't want this video to be drawn out, because there's no need for this. So now when I'm down to the end, this is what it looks like on this side. So now I am gonna bring this side up and do the same as I did with the other sides. Some people use what you call that, glue dots. Some people use glue dots. Some use glue gun. It depends on which one you prefer. Then all I'm gonna do, the sides here that have the crease, I'm just gonna put a piece of Scotch tape there to hold it, even though it's not gonna come apart, but I just put it here just for reinforcement. So I'm just gonna go right around the box and put a piece of Scotch tape right on the seams. So this is what it's looking like. What you can do, or what I do a lot of times, the inseam right here, I will go ahead and put a large piece of tape coming across like this. just for a little reinforcement. You don't have to do it, but I normally do this, as I said, for a little reinforcement. So if you don't have any gift baskets to make gifts, don't worry. You could go to the post office. I don't think they charge you for these boxes at the post office. You could get those boxes, cut the, what you call that part of it, the flap, if that's what you call it, cut it off. Make sure your edges are straight, that way when you wrap your box it doesn't look out of shape. So I'm just putting some tape on the side so that it doesn't move. So there you have it. Transform this from Christmas to Valentine's Day. And if you want to change this again for Mother's Day, you could change it. You could also still use this for Mother's Day. And if you want to use it for Easter, this could still stay for Easter. You don't have to change it. You could do this for birthday. You could do this for any holiday. Any holiday, all right? So yes, you also, this is how I transform my Christmas box into a Valentine's Day box. All right? With that being said, guys, take care. If you guys need more clarity on this, please let me know. I'm spinning this so you guys could see all of the sides and what I did with it. So yeah, take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in another video. Take care. Bye.